Every successful business thrives on happy customers. So, what makes them rave about NiceJob? Jonah just left us a glowing 5-star review on Google, highlighting exceptional customer service. He praised Hugh for assisting him in navigating the software seamlessly this year. Listening to our users is vital. Many share their experiences with our dedicated staff. David echoes Jonah's sentiments, praising Valerie's courteous and timely tech support. A straightforward approach makes a world of difference for users seeking help. Extra Hand Services experienced incredible assistance from Jason Wu, their knowledgeable sales rep. Jason broke down the features masterfully, ensuring his clients understood the software completely. Spotless Painting also boasted, "Great job." What drives such satisfaction across various companies? Fast-tracking 5-star reviews is possible. A satisfied customer shared how he achieved this with ease. Utilizing NiceJob, he found it extremely effective for gathering customer feedback effortlessly. The platform simplifies collecting valuable reviews for your business. Isn't that a game changer? Imagine being able to upload CSV files to kick off your review campaigns. This functionality lets you consistently add customers and engage them without hurdles. Pablo Hernandez mentioned a future business relationship, stating how positive interactions matter. He emphasized that meticulous inquiry ensures all needs are addressed effectively. Hugh's attentiveness directly contributes to excellent customer experiences and satisfaction. Our users truly appreciate the personal touch and dedicated help they receive each time. Payam and Victor both shared similar uplifting experiences, praising the thorough support they received. Hugh's clear explanations and assistance helped them navigate any uncertainties along the way. Clients consistently tell us how grateful they are for our effective and robust software. This positive feedback fuels our motivation to continually enhance our service offerings. Mia expressed her gratitude for Hugh's help, a testament to our team's dedication. Commitment to customer service isn't just a policy, it's ingrained in our company's culture. Enhanced customer interactions lead to positive reviews and stronger business relationships. Every effort counts when it comes to fostering a loyal customer base over time. Victor emphasized how thorough guidance can make all the difference during crucial moments. Planning for future collaborations signals a successful outcome for both businesses and clients. Customers appreciate when their needs are anticipated and addressed proactively. Each review, each experience, reinforces how impactful personalized service can be. Booking a call with Hugh is a game changer. Clients discover effective solutions tailored for them. NiceJob transforms customer interactions into delightful experiences, setting businesses apart in their fields.